Hello, my stars, and hello, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to another video of Eclipse. I am not joined by literally anyone but my own thoughts and me. Today, we are going to be playing whatever this game is called, but I don't remember what it's called, so I'm just going to be, So, I am going to be doing this connection thing, where... Oh, hold on, let me just delete that. Wait, that's mine. How is it? How? So I'm going to delete this because I want to re-record it for like a test run to show you on how it could possibly work. I know I could have tested it anyway, but I'm difficult like that, so no. So you see that railing over there? Yeah, we're going to be dealing with that. So then we lift up the hierarchy, lift it up more, lift it up, and then go back down as far as people can tell. And then we swerve, swerve again, swerve another, swerve up. We make it seem like this fast-paced roller coaster that just never seems to end. Till it just goes down so fast, it's crazy. Oh, let me just delete that block, because I'm difficult. So now we just gotta curve it slightly like that. And then, oh, hold on. Yeah, that seems good. And then we're going to go like upwards. Yeah, upwards. So then we're gonna throw it up. Throw it up. I wonder if some of the avatars are invisible or what. I think they are. Because I can't see a single person in this place. And there's like eight people plus me. Like that. And then we're gonna add the railings, and it's gonna be nothing but fast paced from here on out. Oh, whoopsie daisies. Let me just delete that. And why do I do that? Why did it do that? Okay, then we add railings, another set, another one. And I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos, but my mom put on like a screen limit, and since I do like most of my videos at night, it's kind of hard to do my gaming at night if I can't game at night. So I'm going to be doing less and less videos thanks to a parental figure. And I'm slowly losing my hope in what's left. And what's left in my house. Privacy? No. Anything other that isn't going to be hurtful to my distful tastes? Absolutely nothing's going to change. We move forward like that. Then, yeah, they don't get shot anywhere. But I should lift that up a little higher. So instead of like throwing you down, it's gonna throw you higher. So trust me when I say it's gonna be like a connecting rail thing. Also, I'm watching... If some of y'all don't know, I'm watching the entire story of Spy X Family so far in 123 minutes. Very And let's do for a test run. Yeah, see? See what it can do? That's what communists. What the hell is a communist? I don't know. I'm checking the script here. I don't know. What the hell is a communist? Also, I can't see the person who's doing this whole thing. But honestly, wait, does it actually work like that? Nope, it doesn't. But that is awesome that it works like that. So it just takes you directly to the main road and then just throws you, yeah, like that. See? Yeah, people, they're testing it like that, but it shouldn't be tested like that. Yeah, like that. So they just kind of dispose you like trash. Once those things go away, I'm going to yeah. One more, come on, please don't send anymore. Actually, I'm going to stop it. I'm going to do that. And then boom, boom, sprinkle, boom, boom, boom. I don't know why I said boom. Bang, 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 till I take you down, 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 down. I want you in the ground. Bang, 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 till I take you down, down, down. I want you in the ground. Okay, so... Oh, I got it. Hold on. If I do like this thing, yeah, like that, and then I curve it in, no, yeah, let's see what we can work with here. So then if I go forward slightly and then I add 2 railings, I wonder how this is gonna go. Is this gonna go good? Is this gonna go bad? Either way, I am scared. Cause this could go horribly wrong in a matter of seconds. There's a little flaw with that one, actually. Okay, so we're doing a little tinkering here, but apparently that track's not finished. Nah, delete a little. Oh, right. Oh my god. But seriously though, who curved my track like that? The hell, you me? Yeah, that's just... Is it looping? How come I can't get in the cart? I mean, it's looping. And it's progressively getting faster and faster. Oh, does that kind of stop right there? Why does it stop? Why does it stop right there? Oh, they're trying to make a roller coaster thing, yeah. I mean, I get it, but I'm adding a little perspective into the shift. Actually, I should probably do some tweaking on my... Oh, what the... Fangle. Yeah, I just deleted my whole build. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and load this whole piece of poop. Yeah, you see this crazy thing? This is what I call the stomach turner. Probably copyrighted. I don't know. I don't know if some other company had used that name before, but it's mine now. This is called the stomach acher or something. Stomach turner? Yes, I think the stomach turner. This is the stomach turner, where your stomach just feels like it's turning inside out. The longer you stay on here, the longer I'm going to get sued for. So please don't get me. What am I gonna get? Please. No! No! I thought I would get something exciting, but no. Why would I need that? Oh, whoopsie. Delete that. And then we add the carts. I feel... Oh. Yeah, I just went backwards. Yeah, so if you go the right way, you will have the most funnest experience. It's called the stomach turner for the reason. Because of the fact that that'll make you feel like that your stomach is like going inside of a blender. Yeah, so it has some jumps, some leaps, and it might get me sued if it was real. But good thing I tested this a bunch, so I didn't die. And this is Roblox, so you can't. I also make sure about the fact that you can't crash. But also look at this. This is chaotic. Of how fast we're going, on how janky this all is. It's a fast-paced roller coaster with no turns or stops. With all turns and no stops. Like Jesus. It is hard to do so. Imagine trying to do like a block by block remade version of my roller coaster. It would take hours just to remake it. And it would take even more hours just to think about how much pain you would be after you went on this thing. So trust me when I say, this is not going to be able to be going on the legal representations of roller coasters. I don't know if there's a hierarchy like that, but I'm going with yes. Yes, there is. And I'm complaining about absolutely nothing except for the fact that if anyone tries to remake this on actual Minecraft, just so you know, I wanted to use the lamp one, but I couldn't because I didn't know how redstone worked. It seems cool and all, but I don't know how to use it. And also the fact I know how to do this like a roller coaster is making me feel sick. No, I'm serious. I feel absolutely nauseous. And I've only been looped for like, I don't know, a few minutes. Maybe I should make this roller coaster slightly longer so it would be less boring, you know? Because I feel like the roller coaster is like still very boring. But that's probably just the testing version of me talking. Where I tested all this stuff and now it feels like it's very boring. It probably is actually boring, but I added jumps, I added turns, I even added glass. So what else could this thing be missing? Tunnels maybe? I don't know. Decoration? Possibly also maybe. A better starting point? Possibly, but am I going to do that thing without anyone telling me to? No, the heck I'm not, because I want comments and I want him now. But can anyone actually comment? I don't think so. And that was the... Wait, I went backwards. How'd I went backwards? So yeah, that was spooky. It also hurt my head. Yeah, so if you ever try to remake this ride, just remember not to. Because this thing is a pain. This thing is the torture device of nightmares. And what do you think will be your last day? It might as well be. Because think about all this trauma and pain you'll have afterwards. I mean, look at it. Doesn't it look violent? Of course it does. It's beautiful. So yeah, anyone who gets on this ride will have trauma. Head trauma and extreme nausea. I felt like I did a good job, but the job wouldn't be well done. Because I don't have steak. I've made a few mistakes, but I don't feel like I missed anything. Other than the fact that I should probably slow down the ride in general, so it doesn't feel so nauseating and stuff, but it's my roller coaster, so what the heck? Should I make this ride slower? Should I add any guarding rails? No! Should I make this ride any safer? No, it's Roblox. What the heck are you thinking? So I wonder, how does this bit actually work? Oh, we need the momentum of the other way. Yeah. I told you, it just needs momentum. It is crazy on how fast this thing can come to me. See? Yeah, I think I did a pretty decent job, though. With this, it's crazy. Just all the twists, the turns, the jump, the suspense. That's what's really getting me invested into this. And I feel like the jumps are really, really, like, boring and peaceful. So I want to do, like, each jump would be, like, a jump, then like a shimmy, a jump, shimmy, and then jump, shimmy. Like a whole nother railing going on for a whole nother mile itself. And then coming back onto the right track we're going here for. So, yeah, I don't think really anyone will enjoy a very big roller coaster emotionally. So, yeah, I would suggest mentally and physically prepare yourself, especially your stomach, and make sure you definitely do not eat before going on this ride. You will puke. Imagine if a mod in Minecraft added this, and then there was a whole bunch of twists, turns, and stuff, and there was this, and then whenever you ate something and went on my ride, you would barf after it was done, or barf if you're still on the ride. Also, I feel like I should do a jump, a swirl, and a woo. Yeah, right here. This bit right here. At this bit right here where it shimmies and then goes down and up. Yeah, when it goes shimmy A or shimmy all. Here it comes! I missed! Yes! Ha, you missed. But coasters though. Where'd it go? Oh, right. Anyways, so I'm planning on making like a swirl like this, and then swoop up, then quickly go down with the fast pace of an emotional roller coaster after like a long breakup. So then you go down here, the emotional pain of depression. You can't go down here manually, like without a cart, because you will get stuck. And the twists, the turns will just get you, you know? It's crazy. It's like the actual emotional roller coaster. Maybe that's what I should name it. Nah. Because like the Redstone Rails. Actually, that sounds like a pretty catchy village name or something. Like a little quaint town. That sounds like a really, really cool name. We have to get there before Redstone Rails Village. Before Redstone Rails goes crazy. Never mind about the village thing, but Redstone Rails really sounds cool in my opinion. Cause imagine there's like an adventurer named Redstone Rails, or like a hero named Redstone Rails, and then their powers like spawning rails and then making you go flying somewhere.
His father tells her to never wear anything.
Like for example, oh no, it's Redstone Rails. Oh no, we are so much of a goner. That's just my acting skills. I'm not very good at acting. But anyways, so yeah, this is like my roller coaster. If you have any name suggestions for this big thing, this big roller coaster, please tell me your comments. Please tell me your name suggestions for my big roller coaster. And thank you for, I don't remember on how many subscribers, but I'm still grateful for the amount of subscribers I have. Hopefully I get the blue check eventually. Bye.